Hey gamer! Today we're checking out this insane speed gaming monitor from AOC. We'll unbox it, set it up, and do a few quick tests. This AG246FK6 model delivers up to 610Hz refresh rate in overclock mode. This AGON Pro series monitor is built for true eSports players. But to fully reach that 610Hz, your PC needs some seriously fresh and powerful hardware. As you can see, my PC setup pushes a bit over 400 FPS, but even now the game feels crazy fast. Maybe it's placebo, but if it makes me feel good, why not enjoy it? A super cool feature is the sniper scope, but don't get too used to it. This monitor has plenty of other features, which you'll see in the monitor menu walkthrough part. You can also adjust the monitor in multiple positions. It even has a height scale made for real professionals. There are 2 headphone holders, RGB lighting, headphone out, a USB hub, HDR 400 support, a TN panel for the quickest response, and a nice bonus, a wired quick switch remote. However, keep in mind this monitor might require a few extra visits to your grandma before she agrees to buy it for you. Also remember, it's full HD, not 2K or 4K, and it's 24 inches, so it's not mainly for editing movies or working on huge Excel sheets. This AOC monitor is like a sports car. It's built to be the best in its specific category, gaming. After a few weeks, when my eyes are red from non-stop gaming, I'll make a review video about my impressions. But now, let's jump into the full unboxing, setup, and test.